month. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a small story. Five cows live in a grassland. They ate fresh grass. They were good friends. They were always together. One day they all fought each other and went separately. The lion attacked and killed them one by one. Moral unity is strength. Thank you. My name is K. Jasika. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a small story. Cinderella. Once upon a time there is a pretty girl named Cinderella. When she was young, her mother tired her father remarried a pretty but bad woman. She brought two of her daughters into the family. Her stepmother and stepsister treated Cinderella like a man. Cinderella had to do all the housework. She only worked 30 class. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Divish. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a story. Once upon a time there was a little who was very naughty. She always made trouble for others and never listened to her elders. One day she ran away from house and got lost in forest. A kind lady found her and helped her find her way back. Oh, the little girl learned her lesson and was never naughty again. Moral, it's always good to obey your elders. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ansari. My name is Karija Irfana. I am studying first standard. The grove was very tasty. She looked for water. Dear and dad, thank you. My name is Hamira. I am studying first standard. My story is two chilli goats. The two goats are wanted up across a bridge. One goat is one side, other goat is other side. But they cannot pass each other. So they are fighting and down in the river. Thank you. My name is Khadija. Today is 14 November. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Aisha Saja. I am studying in first standard. A crow sat on a tree doing nothing. When a rabbit thought to do the same. Thank you. My name is Safa. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a story. The cat and cow story. There was a fat cat who lived in a farm. One day the cat woke up hungry. He went to the farmer. The farmer got milk. The cat became very happy. The cat wanted to thank cow. The cat said meow. The cow said moo. Thank you. My name is Neerajas. I am studying first standard. I am a butterfly. I have wings. I am small and colorful. Happy Children's Day. Abdul Majid, I am studying first standard. No, I have tell our small story. One day he was scared of all the animals, so he decided to leave the forest and go to the river to live alone. But when frog living in the river saw a rabbit, he got a scared and he jumped. Thank you. Happy children. My name is Alishan. First finger is I am the best. Thank you. Everyone. My name is Sam Nasim Riaz. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a small story. Unity is strength. Once a hunter came to a forest, scattered some grains and spread spread a net over them. Thank you. Happy Children's Day. My name is Shastabin Sultan. I am studying first standard. Now I tell about a small story. Fox and it. Once upon a time there was a hungry fox. It searched for food here and there. It saw a bunch of grapes. It jumped again and again, but could not get them. At last he got tired and said, "Wait, also, I don't want them." People say bad about the things, but they cannot get it. Happy Children's Day. My name is Shubhra. I am studying first rank. Now I tell about a small story. Lion and Fox. Lion, I am the king of the forest. You are my slave. No, only you, king of the forest. But we are not your slaves. One day morning, hunter hunt the lion, shore, fox, and other animals. Justice, no proud yourself. Happy Children's Day.